All right, today we're going to be diving into the Workflow Secrets transaction dashboards. So if you're ready, go ahead and pull up those dashboards and let's dive in together. The volume pipeline dashboard also has a secondary layout so that you can better understand your data represented in several different ways. On the top left-hand side, you're going to notice you can sort by status, by side, or by source to better understand how any of these given efforts are being represented in your volume pipeline. Just under that, you are also going to have access to that volume by month or hovering over and clicking the down arrow by close date to better understand any of those given dates and how those efforts are impacted, or using the up arrow just to the left of it, you can move from month all the way to year to better understand your yearly volume and how those efforts are moving your business forward. Now, just like the previous one, if you click on any of the given bars, we are able to, at the very bottom, sort a list to understand which of those transactions are being impacted for your volume overall, as well as the address, the side, and the source, with the sales price indicated for those efforts. Now, a really cool feature of this specific volume pipeline dashboard is on the far right-hand middle side, you have access to a source pie chart so that you can better understand how any of the given sources are impacting your volume pipeline. What you can do with this data is use it to better understand how your marketing efforts are being channeled and impacted to reach the volume as it is seen in your volume pipeline. And you can click on any of the different pieces to better understand which of those transactions are being affected and which side of the transaction they occurred on. Now, to finish up, on the top right-hand side, you have access to a drop-down menu that allows you to select a date range so that you can filter by any given date period to see how all of those efforts scale over time to impact your overall volume pipeline dashboard. Thanks again for tuning in to today's training. We hope you had a really great lesson. And if you have any questions at all, feel free and reach out. help@workflowsecrets.info, and our team would be more than happy to help get you squared away. Otherwise, you've got some more lessons to cover, so go ahead and scroll on down and get those started. But we'll see you there.